Top 5 Free Audio Editing Software for YouTube Videos 2023. Here are some of the most popular audio editing software for YouTube videos. 1. Adobe Audition, a professional audio editing software with advanced features for sound design, mixing, and mastering. 2. Audacity, a free and open-source audio editor that offers basic editing tools, including noise reduction, EQ, and compression. 3. GarageBand, a free and user-friendly audio editing software for Mac users. It offers basic editing tools and virtual instruments. 4. Filmora 9, a video editing software that comes with an audio editing feature, allowing users to edit their video's audio track. 5. Logic Pro 10, a premium audio editing software for Mac users with advanced features for music production, mixing, and mastering. These audio editing software options provide a range of capabilities and price points, so you can choose the one that best fits your needs and budget.